Here's how you can make a Pakistani Jamaican beef patty. Now, I grew up eating Pakistani food and beef patty, so I thought, you know what, let's combine the two.
What does that smell like too?
It smells like ginger for sure. Garlic.
And one more ingredient.
Carrots?
Turmeric.
Turmeric.
Yeah. In Jamaican cuisine, what's your trinity?
Thyme, onion, and scallion.
I see. For us, it's ginger, turmeric, and garlic.
Chili peppers.
Yes, these are green Thai chili peppers.
So what's the level of hotness on these?
You guys use Scotch bonnet, right?
Yeah.
So I would say this might be a bit hotter. Yeah, you want to take a little nibble right now?
I don't know. Let me see. Hold on.
Tiny little bit.
Ooh. Yeah. And I'm not a spicy guy. Where's
My bad, bro. I didn't know it was going to be that much for you.
We use vinegar and enhances the flavors. See your part? Lean halal ground beef.
Do you know what that is? Go take a smell. Let's see.
Cumin, cinnamon.
It's like mint?
No mint.
There's like a clove.
Yeah. Black pepper in there. Cardamom.
Cardamom.
And the one thing that's a bit minty that you were smelling, Mama Rose, black cardamom.
My wife's Pakistani, so
Yeah.
I've been expanding my taste buds.
This is what we call our garam masala.
Chili.
Yeah, that's all it is. Then you can add in your salt.
Our wet seasoning.
Beautiful.
I love how it looks, the color. So we're gonna cook this up. Some water. This is the recipe my grandmother gave me, right? We're gonna add some beef stock to it and we're gonna make it boil until it's like pure oil. I love cilantro. You can start smelling that Pakistani signature smell, you know what I mean? I'm just gonna pour some breadcrumbs in it. Without the breadcrumbs, it's gonna be a little gritty and not as smooth. Browning that we add to it to give it a little darkness that we're all used to. Shape it into a strip so we can fill this bad boy in. Spray a light coating over it so that when we fold it over, it sticks. We start with the beef and then we just spread it out so that there's no air pockets. Gently press down to get the shape of the patties and then we'll cut it out with the pizza cutter. Ta-da! This is supposed to be green. When you take it out,
Yo, why is it orange?
well, look at that.
Yo, man, what's this black man?
I know, right? Some trickery. The green is for?
Pakistan.
Pakistan. But how do you say it? Pakistan, I'm a butter. What do they say?
Pakistan Zindabad.
Oh, Pakistan Zindabad. My mother-in-law's favorite saying. We're gonna put these in the oven about 20-25 minutes. We'll take them out and we'll see what we got. Better than I thought. This beef flavor complements the dough very well.
Let me try this Pakistani and Jamaican patty.
Okay, I know you were really harsh with Gordon Ramsay. I want your honest opinion, Mama Rose. Let's see.
Nice. Okay, the spice is okay for me. It's nice.
I think you're onto something.
Yeah? Yeah?